Name an animal a woman imitates in an attempt to make her voice sound sexy.
Cat. A dog?
I mean, like how? Give me an example.
Like growling.
I mean, show me what you mean. You with your husband, Kyle, and you want to sound sexy. That do it for you.
That was so hot.
Come on now, Steve. I'm gonna have to go with a panther.
Let me hear the sexy panther, Kyle.
I'm gonna say a gorilla.
Yeah.
Tiger.
All right. Y'all just out the house. All hell break loose in there. You got kids yet?
No.
You can't have kids right now. I gotta work all these noises out before you had them kids. You cannot be in there with all that.
I'm gonna go with a cheetah.
That was the worst one.
A wolf.
I'm gonna have to go with a snake.
It was good. That boy said,
An elephant.
I'm gonna go with a lion,
the
Steve.
lion.